Welcome to my channel English Sindhi Buddy. असांजो अॼु जो टॉपिक आहे present perfect tense. The present perfect tense describes an action that happened in the past that is directly related to the present, such as actions that are continuing or that indicate a change over time. The helping verbs of present perfect tense are has and have. Present perfect tense जा helping verb आहिनि has ऐं have. Note: the subjects take third form of verb or past participle V3 with them. कम जा कंदड़ या फाइल पाण सां गॾु verb जो third form खणंदा आहिनि. For example, I have played a game. She has played a game. He has gone to the college. They have broken the rules. John has qualified the CSS. हिननि sentences में have, has helping verbs आहिनि ऐं played, gone, broken, qualified ये सब verb जा third form या past participle आहिनि. Sentence formation of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense जो जुमलो ठाहिण. Present perfect tense जो जुमलो ही ठहंदो आहे. Subject plus helping verb has या have plus past participle V3 plus phrase या object. I subject आहे, have helping verb आहे, played verb आहे, cricket in the evening phrase या object आहे. I have played cricket in the evening. मूं शाम जो क्रिकेट खेॾियो आहे. She has gone to लाकाना today. हूअ अॼु लाकाणे हली वई आहे. You have read these books already. तव्हां उहे किताब अॻु में ई पढ़ी चुका आहियो. They have met tourists in France. उन्हनि फ्रांस में सियान सां मुलाक़ात कई आहे. Helping verbs has ऐं have कीअं इस्तेमालु कजनि उन्हनि जे लाइ ही हिकु चार्ट ॾिनो वियो आहे. She, it, he या कंहिं अकेले नाले सां has लॻंदी. I, we, you, they या ॿिनि या ॿिनि खां वधीक नालनि सां have लॻंदी.